Hello and welcome to Democracy 101 in 5. I am Cynthia Mbamalu. Here, we learn about our rights and responsibilities as citizens in a democratic society. Today's topic is accessing public information using the Freedom of Information Act. Democracy 101 in 5 is an initiative of YAGA Africa with the support of the FCDO. Do you know how to access public information using the Freedom of Information Act? We went to the streets and posed this question to some Nigerians. This is how they answered it.
As a Nigerian, you can access them through the court of law.
Yes, you access it through the public opinion.
You go to the court and sue the government.
The Freedom of Information Act is a foundation of transparency and accountability in governance. It empowers citizens to access information and public records, ensuring the government remains transparent and accountable to the people. The objectives of the Freedom of Information Act are to make public records and information more freely available, provide public access to such records, and protect the public interest and personal privacy. As enacted by the National Assembly of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Act provides that a person has the right to access or request information, whether or not contained in any written form, which is in the custody or possession of any public official, agency, or institution, however described. As an applicant under this Act, you do not need to demonstrate any specific interest in the information being applied for. Any person entitled to the right to information under this Act shall have the right to institute proceedings in the court to compel any public institution to comply with the provisions of this Act. When applying for information, you can do so through email or in a written form describing the information you are seeking. Once the application is received, the public institution has 7 days to make the information available to you. But what if your request is denied? Well, the institution must provide written notice stating the reasons for the denial, citing specific sections of the Act. However, if they believe another institution has a greater interest in the information, they can transfer your application accordingly. Sometimes, the institution may need more time to process your request, especially if it involves a large number of records or requires consultations. In such cases, they may extend the time limit beyond the initial 7 days. It is important to note that wrongful denial of access to information is taken seriously. If it's proven that access was wrongly denied, the defaulting officer or institution could face a fine of up to 500,000 naira upon conviction. That's Democracy 101 in 5. We want to hear from you. You can reach us on any social media platforms via @YAGA. You can also watch this episode and other episodes on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@YAGA1. Remember, you have a right to access information. Use it. Thank you for joining us. I am Cynthia Mbamalu. See you next time. Bye for now.